Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Then let's tap on Language at the top. And here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. So let's tap on Add Language. Here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it. And I will pick maybe I don't know, maybe French. And I also forgot to say that this list is divided into two different sections. So here we've got those Samsung suggested, so those which are, let's say, pre-installed and you can immediately choose them. And we've got also the second section with other languages, which you can also use, but you will have to first of all download them. So just tap on them and your device will download it. Alright, so let me pick French. Just tap on it. Now you can choose the region. And your device will ask you whether you want to set your new language as a default one. So just tap on Set as Default, and now the French language will be immediately applied at the top, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, so just like I have French and English, you can simply tap on the language which you'd like to apply. I will pick English and tap on Apply, and your device will immediately set it. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and mark the language which you'd like to delete and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.